Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Outlook mail notification pop-up not working fix. Open Outlook. Click File, Options. Click Mail. Check Play a sound and display a desktop alert. Click OK. Click Start, Settings. Click System. Click Notifications and Actions. Turn on Outlook. Make sure turn on notifications and play a sound when a notification arrives. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.